Hey y'all, this is my 1985 Chevy Custom Deluxe C10 one owner truck. Gentleman I purchased it off of bought it brand new in 1985. It used to have a 305 with a TH350. It now has a 1990 L98 Corvette engine with a 700 R4 transmission with factory 273 gears. I'm going to be doing an exhaust comparison with the stock, about 2-inch exhaust, with the new LMR full bore exhaust, 2.5-inch, 75,000 original miles. Engine miles are unknown, but I was told that it was been rebuilt 30 over. It's got a small cam. It's got the aluminum angle plug heads and O2 sensors, so it's now fuel injected. Fired it up. That's the fuel pump. Hey y'all, just got back from installing the LMR full bore exhaust system on my 1985 C10 Custom Deluxe 2-wheel drive. We got 2.5-inch out back going over the axle. Going into a 2-inch into the factory exhaust manifolds because I have O2 sensors welded into them for the fuel injection L98 Corvette engine. Sounds amazing. Highly recommend these mufflers for the price. $50 a piece, you can't beat that.